Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you yet another description. I am on fire today. This is Kleenex, the original extra large, gentle for your skin. This was on offer at Savers for $1.99, so I thought, right, I'll snap this up. This is with a touch of cotton in it. Alright, so delicate skin deserves a gentle touch. Kleenex original is designed with that in mind. It's our softest everyday tissue and is made with a touch of cotton. Kleenex, someone needs one. Alright, so made in the UK. Right, so let's open this up. So these were formerly, as I said, you got a lot for £2. I thought for £2 it wasn't $1.99, it was just good value. So, never get into this. So in each one you've got, I don't know how many sheets that's in, but there's a lot of sheets. But it's the man size one, which is good. I've tried the small boxes and actually that you just don't get anything in them. So let's open this up. Right, and get that out. Easy to pull out as well. Super thick. It's what you want. Doesn't really smell of anything. But you know, it's just universal, really strong, good absorbency, good for makeup, just for when you get flu or all that sort of thing. It needs to blow your nose. I always have one of these by the bed as a rule. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that. Nice stacks in, but it's the size of it. I mean, like, huge, massive. So you could put a sandwich in there, couldn't you? So thanks for watching, guys. That is the presentation by Kleenex. Would I recommend them? Yes, I would if they were on offer. Downside, they don't smell of anything. You might want something with aloe vera in it or something like that. But apart from that, really good buy, and definitely recommend that. So thanks for watching. There is another product above that called Man Size, and it's like Confident Man Size, but to be honest, it was just the same amount for an extra 50p. I thought, well, what's the point? It's the same stuff, nothing was changed, just the box. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like this sort of thing, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bang that bell. Bye for now.